This is the brand new preschool course from The Good and the Beautiful. I've got the kiddo who will be using it here with me, and we can't wait to get into it. Let's all check it out together. Hi there, I'm Elaine from On the Same Page Together. We are a Christ-centered home of learning, and on this channel we talk about all things family. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comment box below. I try to respond quickly and love being a part of your homeschool journey. Okay, which one do you want to look through first? The doggy one? Okay. All right, we're going to go through and see every page, okay?
Is that what I get to do?
Yes, that's what you get to do for school. We're going to cut the lines.
For school.
Yep, for school.
What do I do that?
That's a B starts with the bat and then the ball.
Does I get to color?
You do get to color those. You were so excited about those doors.
What do you do with it?
It says to knock on the doors.
With our big finger?
Yeah, with your big finger. Can you knock on the green door? Yeah, nicely done. You want to keep doing it? Hello? 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 Hi? Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. Liking and commenting on my videos helps me reach other parents who are also looking for this curriculum. This is a nice thin paper, and it looks like it's got laser ink printed on it.
Horses.
Yeah, horses.
What do we do with all of these other stuff?
Well, we get to read the instructions, and it will tell us what to do.
Can I fit those stuff?
Yeah. Let me know down in the comments. Are you using this curriculum for your first kiddo? Or have you used the discontinued version for previous kiddos?
Mom, there's the pages that are cool in my book.
And it's 1 through 5 assessment. Okay. Oh, when they turn yellow, they are review lessons. So earlier in the book, I saw some yellow ones and was wondering what they were for. And it says lessons 41 to 43 are a review of units 1 through 3. 71 to 72 are a review of units 1 to 5. Course assessments. Here's a certificate of completion. This is just a big packet of sheets glue bound together. There is 1 sheet per letter set. The preschool course book will tell you when to use these sheets and provide a list of supplies needed. Preschool practice sheets. Each unit includes 10 preschool practice sheets that provide additional review of the principles taught. The practice sheets are optional and are not scheduled in the course book.
It's just what's in this book.
Yeah, it's just more what's in that book, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I do like that these are all one-sided, so that I can just pull one out and hand it to her while I help another child. Oh, it tells you up here at the top what unit. This is a Unit 5 practice sheet. Go ahead. Oh, we have the Mouse House activity. Oh, it's a folder that has the instructions. Otter ponds, instructions. Oh, and some ponds. Letter boats. Feed the elephant. This was in the old one, and so was Mouse House. Mouse House was in the old pre-K course set. And if you're interested in checking that out, I have a video for it that I will link in the description box. Moon match. This one's new. Instructions. Front doors. Oh, I have a feeling my kiddo's gonna like that one. Flashcards. Okay. Okay. So these are flashcards we are using and flashcards we are not using, and it looks like mine came a little bit mangled. Oh well. This is like a thick cardstock. It's slightly glossy, and these are nice and perforated so that we'll be able to just punch them out. All right, my little one, you have seen all of your preschool curriculum. Are you so excited to start school? Yes, so excited. She jumps into my arms. The folder idea is cool, but I'm not so sure about it. They're kind of hard to get in and out of. We will see how we end up liking it. If you are interested in a end of year review video, please leave me a comment down below and we will do that. I popped open the edges here and they fit a little bit better now. After the preschool course comes Level K Primer, and in fact in the spring of 2022, The Good and the Beautiful is expecting to release a brand new edition of it that they are going to call the Kindergarten Prep Course. We will be grabbing that as soon as it's released, and there will definitely be a flip through on this channel as soon as possible after it arrives to our house. So subscribe and ring that bell to not miss it. In the meantime though, you can check out a flip through of the Level K Primer here. If you want to see all of the curriculum we have from The Good and the Beautiful, there's a playlist of that right here, and a playlist of the curriculum that we use that is not from The Good and the Beautiful, or here's a video that YouTube thinks you'll like. Just click on one of these and I'll see you over there.